Hello friends, welcome to the chapter Cipher and its types. What is a cipher? A cipher is a method of hiding words or text with encryption by replacing original letters with other letters, numbers, and symbols through substitution or transposition. A combination of substitution and transposition is also often employed. Cipher also refers to the encrypted text, cryptography, system or encryption key for the original text. Encrypted text is also known as ciphertext. Plain text is the original unencrypted text. A cipher enables private communication and is often used in email, so that if an encrypted message is intercepted by an unauthorized user, the message cannot be read. A block cipher encrypts plain text with a key and an algorithm, which affects a complete block of data containing several bits. This may mean 64 bits of encryption for every 1 bit of data. A stream cipher encrypts plain text with a key and algorithm applied to every binary digit, ones and zeros, for every bit in the data stream. Today, this type of cipher is not as common as the block cipher. Types of cipher: block cipher and stream cipher. A block cipher is an encryption algorithm that encrypts a fixed size of n bits of data known as a block at one time. The usual size of each block are 64 bits, 128 bits, and 256 bits. So, for example, a 64-bit block cipher will take in 64 bits of plain text and encrypt it into 64 bits of ciphertext. In case where bits of plain text is shorter than the block size, padding schemes are called into play. Majority of uh, symmetric ciphers used today are actually block ciphers. DES, triple DES, AES, IDEA, and Blowfish are some of the commonly used encryption algorithms that fall under this group. Popular block ciphers: DES, 3DES, AES, Blowfish, and Twofish. DES, which stands for Data Encryption is Standard, used to be the most popular block cipher in the world and was used in several industries. It's still popular today, but only because it's usually included in historical discussions or of encryption algorithms. The DES algorithm became an standard in the US in 1977. However, it's already been proven to be vulnerable a brute force attack and other cryptographic methods. DES is a 64-bit cipher that works with a 64-bit key. Actually, 8 of the 64 bits in the key are parity bits, so the key size is technically 56 bits long. 3DES. As its name implies, 3DES is a cipher based on DES. It's practically DES that's run 3 times. Each DES operation can use a different key, with each key being 56 bits long. Like DES, 3DES has a block size of 64 bits. Although 3DES is many times stronger than DES. It is also much slower, about 3x slower, because many organizations found 3DES to be too slow for many applications. It never became the ultimate successor of DES. That distinction is reversed for the next cipher in our list: AES. AES, a US federal government standard since 2002, AES or Advanced Encryption Standard is arguably the most widely used block cipher in the world. It has a block size of 128 bits and supports three longer keys: 128, 192, and 256 bits. The longer the size, the stronger the encryption. However, longer keys also result in longer process of encryption. For a discussion on encryption key lengths, read Choosing Key Lengths for Encrypted File Transfers. Next one is Blowfish. This is another popular block cipher, although not as widely used as AES. It has a block size of 64 bits and supports a variable length key that can range from 32 to 448 bits. One thing that makes Blowfish so appealing is that Blowfish is unpatented and royalty free. Two Fish. Yes, this cipher is related to Blowfish, but it's not as popular yet. It's 128-bit block cipher that support key sizes up to 256-bit long. Now, stream cipher. A stream cipher is an encryption algorithm that encrypts one bit or byte of plain text at a time. It uses an infinite stream of pseudorandom bits as the key. For a stream cipher implementation to remain secure, its pseudorandom generator should be unpredictable, and the key should never be reused. Stream ciphers are designed to approximate an idealized cipher known as the one-time pad. The one-time pad, which is supposed to employ a purely random key, can potentially achieve perfect secrecy. That is, it's supposed to fully immune the brute force attacks. The problem with the one-time pad is that in order to create such a cipher, its key should be as long and even longer than the plain text. In other words, if you have 500 megabyte video file that you would like to encrypt, you would need a key that at least 4 GBs long. Clearly, while top secret information or matters of national security may warrant the use of one-time pad, such a cipher would just to be impractical for day-to-day public use. The key of a stream cipher is no longer as long as the original message. Hence, it it can no longer guarantee perfect secrecy. However, it can still achieve a strong level of security. Popular stream ciphers RC4, which stand for Revised Cipher 4, in the most widely used of all stream ciphers, partially in softwares. It's also known as ARC-FOUR or ARC4. RC4 has been used in various protocols like WEP and WPA, both security protocols for wireless networks as well as in TLS. Unfortunately, recent studies have revealed vulnerabilities in RC4, prompting Mozilla and Microsoft to recommend that it to be disabled where possible. In fact, RFC 7465 prohibits the use of RC4 in all versions of TLS. These recent findings will surely allow other stream ciphers, Salsa, Sosimong, Panama, and many others, which already exist but never gained the same popularity as RC4, to emerge and possibly take its place. So, friends, this was ciphers and its types. Thank you.